Alright, so I'm doing letter C, the 6-pointer with the rectangular solid with a square base, surface area 432, and then we want to find where the x value where the volume is maximized. So first I'm going to draw the rectangular solid, x here, and then y. So like I said, surface area 432, volume equals x squared y. Surface area is 2x squared plus 4xy, but you want to set that equal to 432. Sorry, that's terrible handwriting. So then, now what we want to do is isolate the y and combine like terms. So we're going to subtract 2x squared from 432 and then divide that by 4x to get y. So you end up getting 432 minus 2x squared divided by 4x equals y. Now that you have that, you can plug that into the volume equation. So you get volume equals x squared times this, 432 minus 2x squared over 4x. So now that we have all of this, we can combine, or we can simplify. So first we're going to distribute the x squared to 432 and then negative 2x squared. So you get 432x squared minus 2x to the fourth. And so since this is an exponent of 1, you get 432x squared over 4x to the first, and then that would end up canceling out to 108x. Since x squared over x to the first would just be 1, so just x to the first. And then the negative 2x to the fourth over 4x to the first is going to cancel out to negative x over 2, and then x to the third over 2. So now what we want to do is take the derivative of this. So taking the derivative, you get 108 minus 3x squared over 2, and then you want to set that up equal to 0 so we could solve for x here. So you subtract 108 to both sides, and then you get negative 3 over 2 x squared equals negative 108. And then you're going to want to divide by negative 3 over 2, and then you should get x squared equals 72. And then you want to take square root of both. You get x equals plus or minus 6 root 2. And then you want to get rid of this negative because it can only be a positive number, and then you get 6 root 2 for x. And so then we make our sign chart, 6 root 2, and so since you're finding the maximum volume, anything above 6 root 2 is going to be negative, and anything below is going to be positive. So here, the x coordinate that would, or the x value that would maximize the volume of the rectangular solid would be 6 root 2 cubic centimeters, or just centimeters. And then that would be because x is going from positive to negative.